Welcome back. Today I want to show you how to draw an enchanted forest. This art piece is inspired by the movie My Friendly Neighbor Totoro, which I just happened to watch 2 days ago for the first time, and I was so awed by the amazing artistry of the backgrounds and the whole anime that I decided on the spot to draw that enchanted forest. This is going to be a riverbed that curves around through the forest and disappears on my horizon line in the distance. We're going to put in a few rocks into the river. Next, I'm deciding where to place my next tree. I think I want a tree in about, not in the distance, it's like in the middle ground. And then I'll leave this space open for my Totoro. So I need to calculate that space and draw a tree next to it because he's leaning against this particular tree. I'm making sure that my trees are at different sizes. So the further away my trees are, the smaller I'm going to draw them to create the illusion of distance and depth. Here is my Totoro. I really love that character. He's got these funny ears. And here are my arms, or the one arm you can see on the left side. I'm skipping his feet. They're going to be sort of hidden in some moss and some grass later on. To fill the empty space, I'm also adding some rocks here and there. And maybe it's time to erase a few lines. I'm adding a lot more tree trunks now on my horizon line to make it appear like a forest. Some bushes in between to fill the space again. Now I'm getting a little bit more into detail, putting some roots down of this. This is basically our focal point right here, the tree with Totoro. And I'm not done with my trees. I decided to put another tree behind Totoro in the distance, but not on the horizon line. Some more bushes, some more tree trunks, and it looks like a forest. I'm looking at the whole of my picture and now decide where I can improve on things. Like I don't like the curve of this riverbed. I'd like to have it curve around my tree right there, so you don't see the right side anymore. I think this looks a lot more organic and natural. I'm also pulling down some of my tree trunks below my horizon line. And the purpose of this is to create depth. It's time to ink in the line art. Thank you for watching this tutorial.